it's Katie. So here's the cart in all its glory. I'm going to turn on the remote control. Excuse the gurgling. And here comes the water. You can see here it gets even deeper than this. And I've been playing with these to get the water to spread out a little more. I gotta make some more rocks. Well, not bake the rocks, but coat some more so we can use them. Let me get some laminated leaves so we can do leaf boats. And right now it's pretty shallow, but it fills up as you start the pump. You can watch the water rise on this rock. Part of that is because it doesn't drain fast enough, which ultimately is a problem, but it's kind of nice in the beginning. So, and water comes out from right there. Flows down here. Let's see if I can do a view of it for you. So it's not perfect, but this is just the first one of many Beyond the Walls carts, so stay tuned. And here it is a little more full. So we got a nice pool down there and a little trickle here.